Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to unlock the app's layout in the home screen on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who have previously locked the app's layout on the home screen and now you want to change the layout, don't need to be worried guys, because you can change the app's layout on the main screen by unlocking the layout. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that I have to do is, of course, now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to home screen menu. And then now you can scroll down and now you can turn off lock home screen layout. And then as you can see, now you can change the layout of apps in the home screen. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and then thank you so much for watching.